Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Chase online banking on your PC. Chase is American multinational banking and financial services holding company. To log in Chase banking online, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.chase.com, then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Chase. Now here you can see the login box on the right side of the website. Now here to log in, first enter your username on the given box. Then enter your correct password on the given box. Similarly, if you want your credentials to be remembered, click on Remember Me box. And if you want to use token, then click on Use Token option. Then you need to enter the token code. After that, if you don't remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username/Password option. With that, if you haven't created your account, then click on Not Enrolled Sign Up Now option. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign In option. With that, you'll be able to log in to your Chase banking on your PC. This is how we can log in Chase online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.